In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to properly create an APA citation for a book. Let's start off with what information is needed and where to find it. When citing a book, all the information will be on the first few pages. This also includes ebooks. The title page has the full title as well as the author or authors. On the next page, you will find the copyright, which is used for the date of publication. The name of the publication company is also found on this page. Now that we have found all the elements, we can start the citation. Book citations will start with the author or authors. The author element will be listed surname followed by their initials. Not all will have middle initials. Multiple authors will be listed in the order that they appear on the source and will be separated by a comma. The second to last and then the last author are separated by an ampersand, which is the symbol for and. If there's no listed author, you will use the name of the organization responsible for publishing the source. The author element will end with a period. If you can find no person or organization responsible for authoring, then move the title element here. Make note, it is very rare that a book does not have a listed author of some kind. The next element is the date of publication. The date element will be enclosed in parentheses and contain the year, the day, and the month. Include as much of this information as is available on the source. In the case of a book, use the most recent copyright date. This is usually just the year. The date element will end with a period on the outside of the parentheses. Following the date will be the title of the source. In APA format, only the first word of the title, the first word of the subtitle, and any proper nouns will be capitalized. The title of the book will also be in italics, and the title element will end with a period unless the title itself includes a punctuation. For example, the title ends with a question mark. In some cases, there is additional information that is added to the title, such as an edition or a volume of a book. This will be added at the end of the title, but will not be on italics, and it will be enclosed in parentheses. This is also the only place that you can use an abbreviation. So you can use ED period instead of edition. The title element will end with a period after the parentheses. The last element in a book citation will be the publisher. You will only need to list the main publisher and the name will be capitalized. This citation will be the same for an ebook as long as it's the same edition. No URL is needed and the publisher element will end with a period. This is the full citation for a book.